and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. It's a YouTube channel dedicated to teaching you how to use the ASL language in order to worship God. My name is Mandy, and I am glad that you are here. This week we're working on learning a song called I Know a Man Who Can by the Cathedrals. We've already been working on it for 2 days, so we learned verse 1 and then the chorus, and today we are going to be learning verse 2. But as always, the housekeeping, I am left-handed. So if you are right-handed, that means you're going to mirror my sign. If you look below in the description, you're going to find lyrics, a link to print off the lyrics, as well as a link to purchase a song. And finally, please subscribe to the channel. That way you won't miss any of your favorite songs. But if you find the channel difficult to navigate, you can always go to signlanguageworship.com. All the tutorials are there as well. Okay, so today is verse 2. I can't walk among the waters. I can't calm the raging sea, but I know a man who can. I can't cause blinded eyes to be open or the lame to get up and walk again, but I know a man who can. Okay, so similar, there's a lot of repeat signs from verse 1, so it should be kind of quicker for us, okay? I can't walk, okay? 2 hands kind of moving back and forth is walk. I can't walk. Walk on, okay? Non-dominant hand kind of makes a fist, on. And then waters is a W at your chin, okay? So I can't walk. Walk on waters. I can't calm. So for calm, we're going to do peace. You start with 2 hands back, or the fronts together, switch, and then down. Okay, it doesn't matter which hand starts in front. Okay, calm, the raging. So you have lots of feelings. Rage. The raging seas. Okay, like the ocean waters. So I can't calm the raging seas, but I know a man who can. So, and then I can't, and then cause blinded eyes to be open. I can't make blinded eyes to be open. Okay, or some people might want to say, this is like awake. You can also do that if you'd prefer to do that, okay? I can't make blinded eyes to be open, or the lame. So imagine you have all, your limbs, and then pull one back, okay? Lame, to get up, so stand. You're going to take your dominant hand and stand, okay? To stand and walk again. Non-dominant hand out, and then your dominant hand comes in again. Okay, let's try that at I can't cause blinded eyes to be open. I can't make blinded eyes to be open, or the lame to get up and walk again, but I know a man who can. Okay, let's try that from the top. I can't walk on waters. I can't calm the raging seas, but I know a man who can. I can't make or cause the blinded eyes to be opened, or the lame to get up and walk again, but I know a man who can. Okay, one more time. I know it's tricky. Okay, just keep practicing. You will get there. I can't walk on waters. I can't calm the raging seas, but I know a man who can. I can't cause blinded eyes to be opened or the lame to get up and walk again, but I know a man who can. Okay? And that is verse 2. So that means we've learned all the different parts of the song. Tomorrow we're going to walk through the whole thing together, and then the day after that we're going to do it with the music. Can't wait to see you there. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share sign language worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.